Assalamualaikum. Today I'm sharing how to decorate your home on a budget. Also at the end of the video, I'll be answering your most requested comments. These are the 3 things we got from Amazon. First thing is hanging garland. It comes with some gold lanterns and some crescent and moon. If you like some different colors, they also have that on Amazon. So the next thing we got is like a hanging banner. This is how it looks like. Ooh, this looks really nice actually. I really like the color. It says Ramadan on this one, and on the other one it says Kareem actually. It looks really nice. Let's move on to the third product. The last thing we got are these wooden signs. So let me open it up. So there's some stars. This one says Eid Mubarak that we can use for Eid. I have some lanterns. These are also pretty actually and made pretty nice. And the last one is Ramadan Mubarak. It also comes with this jute hanging thing, or you can just use something else to hang it. I would like to use the fishing wire. It'll be like without see-through or stuff, but there are many ideas you can do with this. Make a garland out of it as well. So that's the stuff we got, and let's go to decorate now.
Suppy, our most requested comment has been asked in various ways. Some of them are not so nice. Why do you decorate your house for Ramadan? I know we've talked about it personally. Can you read these comments because I think they say it best?
Sure, I can. First comment I got, they said that if you have kids at home, it will make them feel that this month is a special one and it might encourage them to do more good. This is a part of excitement that Ramadan brings. No one should be judging what or how one should be spending this beautiful month. I live in a country where the majority of people are non-Muslims, and this makes it feel exciting for me and my kids. Last comments, with children, they get so excited to see something in the house. She just has to let them know these decorations aren't part of the religion. It is for celebrating and for fun.
One recent comment you got was, why do you only post once a year?
Majority of the time I post once a year because Ramadan comes once a year, right? But then sometimes I do slack off because I'm busy with kids and the house. So I also had a newborn baby and he's about 5 months old. I will try to be consistent as possible. Thank you for being patient with me.
Someone said, thank you for the kettle idea. It was cool. I have a kettle that I never use, but I've had some flowers that I didn't know what to do with. But thanks to you, I'll use your idea.
You're welcome.
Can you please let your kids decorate the house and take pictures of them?
Yes, inshallah. They do like to decorate it, and I will be doing a video this year decorating their rooms. So do look out for that.
Beautiful. I just found you. Love your vlog. Channel name attracted me so much because I'm a brown mom too. Are you Pakistani?
Yes, I am.
Assalamualaikum, sister. I was wondering where you got your large gold lantern.
The one I have it on the fireplace?
Yeah.
Those are from Walmart. I think they might have it. You can always check their online website as well.
Okay, I think you got like about 5 or more comments about this in particular. I'm reading this comment from one person. She said, Madam, aapki request hai aapse, kindly shalwar suit mein aap bhi cleaning routine ke vlogs banaye kare please.
Okay, I will. I'll try my best.
And someone said, me and my daughter loved your Ramadan decor and DIYs.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. See you in my next video. Assalamualaikum.